Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is, if minus 5 is the root of the quadratic equation 2x to the power 2 plus px minus 15 is equal to 0, and the quadratic equation p x to the power 2 plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots, find the value of k. And guys, this is one of the most important questions. This question is from the chapter quadratic equation, and this question came in one of the CBSE board exam in the year 2002 and 2009, guys. So twice this question got repeated. So let us keep this question in mind for our exam 2. We don't know, who knows, this might also come. So let us try to solve this question and see how we are solving this one. Now the given equation is, let us move ahead and solve this question. So the given question or the given equation is 2x to the power 2 plus px minus 15 is equal to 0. This is the question that is being given. 2x to the 2 plus px minus 15 is equal to 0. And they have also, and the quadratic equation, and also they have given one more equation like p into x to the power x to the 2 plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. Find the value of k. So we will keep the other part of the equation to get it in a later part of this question. So first of all, let us solve 2x to the power 2 plus px minus 15 is equal to 0. As per the question, minus 5 is the root of the quadratic equation. Okay, so as per the given quadratic equation, minus 5, so guys, I'm trying to read the question again and again so that I will be more clear, or we will be more clear. Definitely it is advisable to read the question again and again so that the things will be more clear. So it is given that minus 5 is a root of the above quadratic equation. So what does this mean? So it is being given that minus 5 is the root of the above quadratic equation. This is also being given. Now, if it is being given that minus 5 is the root of the above quadratic equation, then that means we should understand that x is equal to minus 5. We should understand or we should realize that x is equal to minus 5. This is what being given, because minus 5 is the root of the above quadratic equation. So we are considering x is equal to minus 5, which is being given. Now putting the value of x in the above equation. Now let us put the value of x in the above equation. So guys, if we replace the value of x in the above equation, what we are going to get? That means now we are going to solve this equation taking x is equal to minus 5. So I can write the above equation as 2 into minus 5, because 2x to the power 2. So instead of x, I am replacing it with minus 5 to the square plus p into minus 5, p into minus 5 minus 15 is equal to 0, or 2 into minus 5 is 25 minus 5p minus 15 is equal to 0, or I can say 50 minus 5p minus 15 is equal to 0, or I can say, again further solving this, I can say, or 50 minus 15 is equal to 5p. Just guys, I moved this 5p to the right side of this equation, so it became positive. Or I can say 35
is equal to 5p, or I can say p is equal to 35 upon 5, or p is equal to 7. So guys, you could see that we got the value of p as 7. So this is one of the most important thing that we are able to derive. We are able to derive p is equal to 7. Now guys, if you remember that there is another part of the equation in this question. So as per this question, we need to, this question is like minus 5 is the root of the quadratic equation 2x to the power 2 plus px minus 15 is equal to 0, and the quadratic equation p into x to the power 2 plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. Find the value of k. So here we have another quadratic equation that is being given, that is p into x to the power 2 plus k x to, sorry guys, it is p into x to the power 2 plus x plus k is equal to 0. So this is the other part of the equation. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to, why we extracted p first? Because if you see here, there are two unknown things. One is p and the other one is k, and again another unknown thing is also x. If so many unknown things will be there, then it will be difficult for us to solve an equation. So for that result, we solve the first quadratic equation and we are able to find out the value of p. Now we are going to use that particular value of p here in this equation, and we are going to move ahead and find out the value of k. Now let's put the value of p here in this equation. So I can write 7 into x to the power 2 plus x plus k is equal to 0, or 7x to the power 2 plus 7x plus k is equal to 0. This is what we got. Now again the question is also telling that this particular equation p into x to the power 2 plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. That means the discriminant here is, or discriminant here is 0. Discriminant is 0 means that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, because as per the question this equation is having equal roots. So I am considering b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now we can extract, if you realize like 7x to the power 2 plus 7x plus k is equal to 0 is nothing but it is of the form of the quadratic equation having the format ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now let us extract these values, a, b, c values from the equation that we got, that is 7x to the power 2 plus 7x plus k is equal to 0. So from that equation I could find out a is equal to 7, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to k. So guys, you could see that how easily we are able to extract the values of a, b, c from the equation. Now let us find out b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to, here the value of b is 7, so I can write 7 to the power 2 minus 4 into a is 7 into c is k. Or I can write b square minus 4ac is equal to 49, 7 7s are 49 minus 7 4s are 28 into k. So you could see that we got 49 minus 28k. Now the other interesting thing that we are going to use here and we are going to get our answer. So if you see here we have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is what being given in the question. So let us put that, or let us conclude that 49 minus 28k is equal to 0. We are not assuming anything because it is being given that this particular equation is having equal roots. For that reason we have considered b square minus 4ac is equal to 49 minus 28k, which is nothing but that is equal to 0. Because here if you see, here we considered b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 because this equation is having equal roots. Now let us solve this. Or I can write 49 is equal to 28k, or I can say k is equal to 49 upon 28. So what we got? K is equal to 49 upon 28. Or I can say K is equal to, it looks like it is a factor of 7. So I can write 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28. So guys, you could see that we got the value of K is 7 upon 4. This is our answer, guys. Hope you understood this process or this equation, like how we solved this one. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.